In this video, I'll be showing you how to check the temperature of your graphics card in Windows 11. So it's very important to keep an eye on what your graphics card is doing when it comes to the temperature, as you don't want your graphics card to get too hot, otherwise you could cause serious damage to your GPU. And within Windows you can actually keep an eye on the temperature without having to download any additional software, and that's by using the Task Manager. So not a lot of people actually know you can do this within the Task Manager, and that's why I wanted to do this quick video just to show you how you can do this. So the first thing that you need to do is open up Task Manager, and this can be done by right clicking on the start menu icon and then selecting Task Manager. Once opened, you now need to select Performance at the top, and you then need to click on GPU. You will now see your graphics card. I can see there that I do have the GTX 1660 Super, which is correct. And at the very bottom here, you have lots of different information about your graphics card, what it's doing at the moment and stuff like that, which is all very interesting. However, the thing we want to look at is the GPU temperature. So this is how you can keep an eye on just how hot your graphics card is getting. So like I said, this is a great way without having to download any additional software to keep an eye on what the temperature is doing for your GPU. I hope this little video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below, and if you would like to see more computer sluggish videos, then click that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.